Hey everyone, it's Lynette Schaefer, and today I'm going to be taking you through EiKO's Type A, B, A+B TLED glass lamps. So first off, we have our Type A LED T8. Now a Type A directly replaces existing fluorescent lamps using the existing ballast. It's just a simple plug and play without the need for any wiring. Just be sure you check for ballast compatibility first. Now, as you can see, we offer 2, 3, and 4 foot lengths, as well as 1 5/8 inch and 6-inch leg space U-bends. Additionally, our part numbers or our nomenclature has recently changed, making it easier to understand. So in this example, L now equals LED, 10 is for the watts, W obviously stands for watts, T8 equals the lamp size, 36 is the length, A equals Type A, G is for glass, 8 is for ADCRI, 35 of course is for 3500 Kelvin. Now you're also going to notice that some SKUs can achieve up to 194 lumens per watt. Just refer to the spec sheet for more details on that. Now, because this is a Type A and it uses the existing ballast, the voltage is dependent on the existing ballast. The watts do range from 8 to 12.9, and the lumens per watt range from 145 to 194, with lumens up to 2,200. A key feature includes the easy lamp for lamp plug and play installation, which works on a wide range of ballasts, including instant start, program dimmable, and emergency. The 330-degree wide illumination angle allows for greater light distribution. Additional selling features is that it can be used on shunted or non-shunted sockets. The frosted glass lens allows for better light transmission, reduced visual glare, and provides optimal heat dissipation. These can operate in damp locations from -4 Fahrenheit to 113 Fahrenheit. All SKUs are DLC, UL certified, damp location, and come with a 5-year warranty as well. Next, we have our Type B T8. Now, Type B lamps bypass the existing fluorescent ballast and wires directly to line voltage. Typically, this lamp is used when the existing fluorescent ballasts are fairly old. Because if you think about it, if you were to use a Type A on an older ballast, when the ballast fails, then the lamp no longer works. So it's kind of nice to have a Type B. Now, these are offered in a 2, 3, and 4 foot lengths. Some models do feature field set, and that feature is conveniently located on the side of the lamp versus the end. We have noticed that some manufacturers have it at the end, which means you actually have to remove the entire lamp from the fixture in order to change the color temperatures. Ours, you just have to drop down a little bit from the fixture, so you don't have to remove the entire thing. Now, these all do operate at 120 to 277 volts. Most can operate on both single or double-ended power. Just refer to the spec sheet for information on what it can replace and other details on, for instance, the DLC item code. The watts range from 9 to 15, and the lumens per watt range from 116 to 173, with lumens up to 2,200. These are available in static CCT, and some SKUs feature field set with 5 CCTs. Specifically, the 4 foot version, 4,000 or 5,000 K, comes in at 1,650 lumens, 9.5 watts, and 173 lumens per watt. Now, with this being a Type B lamp with an integrated driver, a key feature means you can eliminate the ballast with a simple installation using shunted or non-shunted sockets for single or double-ended install. So if your customer has older ballast, yes, a little wiring is required to bypass the ballast, but this is a great long-term solution. The 5 color temperatures in one allows for reduced inventory and provides more flexibility to the installer and end user. You're also going to notice that many other manufacturers have a switch between the pins, which means the lamps need to be removed from the fixture, as I mentioned earlier. Ours is located on the side. Also, this is a 330-degree beam illumination angle, which allows for greater light distribution. Additional selling features is the frosted glass lens, allows for better light transmission, reduced visual glare, and provides optimal heat dissipation. These can be operated in damp locations from -4 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Just refer to the spec sheet for compatibility on emergency batteries. All SKUs are DLC, UL certified, damp location, and come with a 5-year warranty. Next, we have our Type A+B T8, and this is just a combination of a Type A and Type B. So that means this lamp can use the existing ballast, but once the ballast fails, then the customer needs to bypass the ballast, but at least the same lamp can be used without having to purchase another lamp. So let's say you have a customer whose current ballasts are just a few years old and maybe they don't want to do any wiring. They can easily use a Type A+B, just remove the existing lamp and install the lamp, easy plug and play. But then when those ballasts begin to fail, the lamp will not turn on until the ballast is replaced or until you bypass the ballast and use line voltage. Either way, This lamp can be used either way on either situation. This lamp is only offered in a 4-foot and the most popular color temperature, which is 3,500, 4,000, or 5,000 K. Of course, if you're using this on a type A install, the voltage does depend on the current ballast, but for type B installation, it can work on 120 to 277 volts. You do have two options for watts, either 12 or 15, and the lumens per watt range from 140 to 150 with lumens up to 2,200. These are available in static CCT only, so 3,500, 4,000, or 5,000. With this type A plus B lamp, the key feature is flexibility. If using as a type A, these are compatible with a wide range of ballasts, including instant start, program dimmable, and emergency. Just be sure to check the ballast compatibility chart. Of course, for type B installation, you eliminate the ballast. Now, of course, with the type B installation, the lamp works on shunted or non-shunted sockets, single or double-ended power, and the 330-degree wide illumination angle allows for greater light distribution. Additional selling features is that same frosted glass lens. It allows for better light transmission, reduced visual glare, provides optimal heat dissipation. These can operate in damp locations from -4 Fahrenheit to 113 Fahrenheit. And you can also refer to the spec sheet for compatibility on what works with what from an emergency battery backup perspective. All SKUs are DLC, UL certified, damp location, and come with a 5-year warranty. Thanks for your time today.